Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the lightning plug and port closely. Look for lint, corrosion, or bent pins. Use a soft brush or a 1/2 cotton swab to dislodge debris gently, because pressure can damage contacts. Once done, power off the device to prevent shorting and make sure you have steady light and a magnifier if needed. Do not insert metal objects. Instead, use plastic or nylon picks. This sets a safe baseline before moving to deeper cleaning or replacement. You continue by using short bursts of compressed air while angling the device so debris falls out. This removes loose particles effectively. Then brush gently with a nylon tool to free stuck lint. If you see corrosion, dab a tiny amount of 90% isopropyl on a swab, only once, and let it evaporate. Next, test with a known good lightning cable to isolate the fault. If charging works with the spare cable, the original cable is the culprit. If not, the port likely needs repair or replacement. You finish by swapping the cable and charger to confirm a hardware fault. Replacing the cable is the fastest fix. If the problem persists, consider port replacement or professional microsoldering. This matters because ports wear out. Once replaced, restart the device and check charging behavior. If software seems abnormal, reset relevant settings. If things go wrong, document exact symptoms, error messages, and tests you ran before seeking repair. This helps a technician diagnose faster and avoids repeat work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.